My name is Vaibhav Kumar from careerbouncer.com. Here I'm going to cover the NEET PG admission process 2020 and what is the benefit of taking admission this year and how COVID-19 is affecting the seat availability. So we all know everything comes with some positive and negative impact. Even this pandemic is not the exception. Definitely, it has very bad impact on every individual human being existing on the planet Earth. But it has some positive impact as well. Let's not go in deep and we will talk about the positive and negative impact of COVID 19 on academic year 2020 and academic year 2021. So, first thing first, without wasting your time and providing the answer in one sentence, you should take admission this year without waiting for some miracle going to happen with you in next year. First is pandemic and it is not going to over in near upcoming future. We have to agree with it, then we'll talk further. Because no one has concrete information about what will be happening this year and the next year. According to the Hindu newspaper, HRD secretary quoted that considering the future, if degree are granted without assessment, even if final term degrees are granted now without exam, what will happen to the next year? If COVID continues for a year, what will we do? Will we start granting degrees without exam for years together? So this is the quote given by HRD secretary. So according to this, it shows that there is no certain data and plan for next year. All examination dates for next year is tentative. There is a very high probability that the examination of NEET PG 2021 along with other examination will be delayed because nothing is going to be normal by first quarter of 2021. Now coming to the academic year 2020. I'm going to tell you the advantage of COVID-19 on NEET PG 2020. Due to delay in the admission process, many students who are getting seats in any branch in any college, most of them are directly joining without going to the next round of counseling. So there is a great opportunity to claim a seat in the college for the branch which you want to go for. So the second advantage will be the NRI seats which will be available for counseling and it will be converted to management quota as well. So there will be an increment in management quota seats. So the students having not very good score in NEET 2020 will have a great opportunity to grab a seat. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment below. And if you want us to make a separate video on management quota, then you can comment below for the same. Another point I would like to cover from an article published by the Indian Express on 12th of July 2020, which is a survey conducted independently by IIT Bombay faculty B.N. Jagtap and education researcher Anand Mapushkar. The survey has found 18% female and 84% male students have expressed difficulty in funding education. The survey was conducted using Google Form and with a size of 38,108 students across the university's region of state Maharashtra. So the point here is whosoever is capable to take the admission this year, they should not miss it. In this COVID-19 situation, if you think you are safe just because you won't go to the college this year and the COVID cases are higher in the cities and some state and not in small cities, town and villages, then it is not completely true. COVID-19 is now everywhere and we are living with it and we have to for some upcoming months. Just we have to take precaution and if we talk about the number of cases, then it is directly proportional to the number of tests. Taking precaution is the only weapon and it doesn't matter where you live. So just because of this fear, don't waste your academic year because opportunities don't knock your door every time. If you got opportunity this year, then take advantage of it. Thank you so much for watching our video. You can also visit our website www.careerbouncer.com for expert advice, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you have any query, you can write in the comment below. Thank you so much.